Alright, this is just a quick little video on how to do Odyssey pacing guides. So I have pulled up Joseph's Odyssey pacing guide and we're just going to look at language arts. So it goes by number of activities. So as you can see up here, by September 1st, he's going to need to have 8 activities complete. And how you can track that in Odyssey, I will show you in just a second. So I'm now in Joseph's Odyssey portal, and if I just click on language arts, it'll open up into multiple activities. Just keep clicking down until you get to this point, like where if you were to click, it would start the lesson. Each one of these counts as an activity. And how you track that, if you go to gradebook, it'll open up, and at the bottom here, it will show you. So he has completed 0 of 243. And this will be for the whole school year, is the 243 activities. And as you can see, this is the module that we just opened up, and it has like 9 activities. So once he goes through all of these, he will be at 9. And you will see the number 9 pop up down below right here. And don't get confused by this percentage. It's not like his percentage for the class, like A, B, C. It's more the percentage of the course that he has completed. So 9 of 243 would be a certain percentage, just so you're aware. I hope that's helpful. If you have any more questions, just reach out to me and I'll try and help. Thanks.